Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at 2014 Ram 1500 Sport. Under the hood we have a 5.7-liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black. It looks great. You do have the chrome accenting on the grille up front here with your projector-style headlights and your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. Still lots of tread left on them, and they look very nice. You do have your running boards along the bottom, as well as your heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back, we have a 6-foot box. Looks great. Got the 4x4 badging, the dual exhaust pipes, and your backup camera right there. Now we can open this guy up. Looks great back here. It does. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and there is tons of room. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your panic button up there. So let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. Got a big chrome accenting here. Handle here, some storage, and some more just down here with a water bottle holder. Looks great in here as well. The leather is very comfortable, and the cloth is very nice as well. You got the controls over your seats, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and lumbar support there. You also have the controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as if you press in, you got your fog lights and your in-cabin light control right there. Right up here, we do have the control over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we have, 71,000, not too bad at all. We can also switch that around a bit to our, our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B. We have our audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to our speedometer. That is control from right here with our Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and our cruise control options right there. And over here we do have our gear shift just like this. Looks great. You also have your 4-wheel auto, lock and low, as well as your 2-wheel control there. Then up here we do have our 8.4-inch touchscreen display, so we got our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM, as well as our media tab here that we can hook one up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card. You have your controls here over your mirror dimmer and your settings. You also have your climate control here, all those options there. You got your phone as well as your settings right there. Down here we do have a volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, and your tuner and browser there. AC, circulation, heat up and down, power off, and then you also have your front and rear defrost. Down here you have your traction control and your tow and haul, some storage mode, or some storage, sorry. Some more storage in here and a little place to put your phone. Then you also have some cup holders, and you have your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You have some coin holders there, and right over here we do have a USB plug-in, aux cord, and an SD card slot. You can fold that back down, lift this up, then you do have another storage container in there. You can hold lots of stuff in there. We do have a dual layer storage container over here, our glove box. We got the top layer and the bottom layer there with our owner's manual inside of it. And up top you got a universal garage door opener and a little opener for the window in the back. Okay, let's take a look back here. Open this guy up. On the door you have that same chrome accenting. You have the control of your windows handle here, and it looks great back here. Same material as the front, very comfortable. You can fold these up. You do have some storage underneath there. You can do the same with the other side. Or you can fold these down like this, and then you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of if you need to haul some stuff around. And there's our 5.7-liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2014 Ram 1500 Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.